Hi, I'm Patu from freefincal. In the budget speech today, a 30% tax on cryptocurrencies were announced. Let's talk about what this is all about. So, the cryptocurrency is defined as part of a virtual digital asset, and the finance bill defines it as any information or code or number or token not being Indian currency or foreign currency generated through cryptographic means or otherwise by whatever name called, providing a digital representation of value exchanged is called a virtual digital asset. That's of course only the part of the definition. The full definition is there are other riders, but let me not get into that now. So the definition also includes non-fungible tokens. So what are the crypto taxation rules? The first primary point to understand is that the government does not recognize the gain made from the sale of a crypto asset as a capital gain. That is, legally, the profit that you get from selling crypto or a digital virtual asset is not classified as a capital gain. It only calls it as an income. So that is why they are able to say that the income that you get from the sale of the virtual digital assets, regardless of the tax slab, will be taxed at a flat rate of 30%. So this means, this income means it is the gain. Obviously, it is the sale price minus the cost of acquisition. So that is just the profit. But it will be taxed at a flat rate of 30% because it is not classified as a capital gain in the taxation rules. There is no indexation of the gains allowed. That is, you cannot inflate the cost of acquisition using the cost inflation index. If you get a loss, you cannot set it off against any other capital gains. If you get a gain, you cannot set it off against any other loss in other capital gains. You cannot carry forward the losses for offsetting later in future. And there is a clause in the finance bill that says that digital virtual assets will be designated as a property for gifting. So this means that if you gift that property to anybody, including your relatives, the recipient, whoever gets the gift, will have to pay the tax of 30%. Now, in order to track crypto transactions, a 1% TDS will also be levied, and there is a threshold for this TDS. That is, not all transactions will be levied. Only above a certain level there will be a 1% TDS levied, but that will be announced later. So now you have time between today and March 31st, 2022 to rethink your crypto strategy. That is, are you getting enough risk premium to lose 30% of the tax? Is it really worth it? Is it worth your time and effort? That is something that you must think about and take a decision.